Okay guys, hello and welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to go through a couple of things to do with Padlet. And for any fellow teachers out there, I think that this tool is sometimes underrated by some teachers, but I came across it a few years back and I think it's just superb. I try and use it as much as I can with my grade 5 class. If you're new to the channel, I hope you are. Hope to give us a like and subscribe. Today, I'm just going to go through a couple of different features that you can do with this amazing platform, and really step up your teaching to the next level. Okay, so I've found the KWL chart. It gives you a brief overview of kind of the age range and the activities that you can do, and also some similar ones you can click there. I'm just going to click See Example. It gives you a full kind of example here. These are all obviously laid out in the way of a KWL chart, and you can give the students, either you can give them the whole thing by going to Share, and you can link it through that, or you can click what's called a breakout link, which means you can just give them this column. If they scan the QR code, then it will just show this column, and then you scan the next one and it will just scan the next column. Never underestimate, and I mean this sincerely, never underestimate the ability of a kid to not listen to a word you just said and just write everything in the third one here, into learned. Obviously, we all know that learned is at the end. The first two are what you want at the beginning of a unit. These are all obviously examples created by the AI system, but when you create your own, the only things that will be there are this pinned section. It won't say Professor Crane. Pinned, these three. I like to color code them so you can change the color. I can't right now because this is the example. Let's click Create, and then that should load our new KWL chart. There it is. Excellent. It gives you an example as well. It shows you how to use those effectively. I'm going to click Skip there. I like to change the colors, which are easily done. You just click those three dots here, and I don't know, let's say green. Yeah, because I already know those things. Let's say I'm doing my KWL chart on food. Food groups, for example. Yeah, let's use food groups as an example. You can change the icon here to make it more engaging. So I just type in food there. It has a whole section on food. You can choose whatever you want. Emoji style, which is really cool and engaging. You could vote on it as a class if you wanted to. I'm gonna go for these noodles here. So save that. You can change the wallpaper, solid colors, or any of these kinds of patterns. These are kind of cool. Some of them are, you can link, you know, there'll be food related ones, some roses there, or you could upload your own picture if you like. Make sure you get the right dimensions on that, or else sometimes your own picture will come out a little bit blurry, so just be wary of that. You can change the format if you wanted to. You could have it as a wall as it is. Again, a timeline format if you wanted to link them together. This is a really cool feature. This is Canvas. Canvas we will look at in another video. I've got a great unit canvas. You can really make a kind of like a mind map. Think of it as a massive mind map. But for what we need right now, it's just a wall. But again, that's where the AI comes in. It really shows, it allows you to not worry about formatting. It does all the formatting for you, and it fits to what you want, and it saves you a ton of time. Now, like I said, with regards to media and things like that, you can allow comments or not. If it's not really a commenting kind of thing, then you don't need to do that. Reactions, you could give it a score if you wanted to. Coming from an educational standpoint, you could set homework on this and create a score, kind of almost like gradebook style, if you liked. Give it a star, a vote, or a like, similar kind of things, or you can just leave them blank. That's entirely up to you. You can also hide who posted as well, because you can get them to write down their own name of who posted that thing, because when you sign in just on an iPad, if you don't have a proper account, it will ask you what is your name, and sometimes they make silly names, which is not great. Anyway, moderation, you can always you can click it so that you can approve everything, or you can just let everything go through. That is entirely up to you. All of that is in the moderation section. You can also make your own personal URL, which is kind of cool. So, for example, KWL food. So then that's what the URL will look like. You click save, and then you can copy and paste that into anywhere you like. Or, for the students, a bit easier than getting them to type that in. Obviously you make it public so they can see it. You click get QR code, and then it will generate a unique QR code for that specific page. So this obviously saves a ton of time. Instead of getting them to type in each individual digit of a URL, yeah, that's going to take them. I've had a lesson where that has taken 3/4 of a lesson to get everybody to type that in. So just save yourself some time, save yourself a headache, go with the QR code. You will thank me later. If you aren't already, then please do. Another feature of the QR code is, instead of having that up the entire time, you can click pin to header, which will make it just appear instead of the noodles that I had, it will appear there, so that you can have both at the same time. Because there was always 2 or 3 students who were like, "Teacher, I didn't scan the code," even though it's been up there for 5 minutes. So never underestimate that. And you can really do a lot of stuff with this. Like I said, you can have the whole thing, or you can click breakout links, and it will give you an individual link for just one of those 3 columns. So however many sections you have on this shelved wall, these are shelves, then you can copy each of those individual URLs, and that will be a little bit easier for the students. It saves them getting distracted, saves you overloading them with too much info. Then the breakout links are very important. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this first video. I'm fairly new to YouTube and making videos, so hopefully my video quality will improve. Thank you for watching. We'll go on to our next video. Look out for that. That will be dropping fairly soon. I will keep going with this KWL chart, and also show you one of the other unit mind maps that I created. Super easy to do, and hopefully this has helped you to kind of understand it a bit better, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you very much, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.